Hey everyone, this is Loreli from WTI.
And if you want to elevate the look of your space or bedroom, I've got just the thing for you. I recently revamped my bedroom, but something was still missing to achieve that cozy, elevated feel that I wanted. That's when I discovered the Shine Curtain Conjoined double tracks, and let me tell you, they've been a fantastic addition to my bedroom. One thing I loved is how easy they made it for me. I simply chose the size and color, and they sent it ready to mount. No need to cut it myself. And the quality of these tracks is outstanding. They feel very sturdy and look so sleek. Plus, I really love how the curtain slides so smoothly. But the best part, having double tracks is a game changer because you can layer two sheer curtains for a soft, elegant look, or combine a sheer and a blackout curtain for more privacy and versatile lighting options.
So if you're looking for a high quality, hassle-free curtain track system, definitely check out the Sign Curtain Double Tracks. I'm sure you will love them as much as I do. And that's my point of view.